Good morning, students. In practical number 2, the second part of video, I am showing you how you have to calculate. In first video, I taught you to write a solution, ionic reaction, then in this experiment, and on the second page, I showed you how you have to make observation table. Now, we are going to start our calculations. You have to write calculation first, molecular mass, molecular weight, molecular mass, that is of ferrous ammonium sulfate equal to dash grams per mole. You write. I will show you how you have to write. Till now you keep the blank space. Then grams equivalent weight of FeSO4, NS4, SO4, 6H2O is equal to dash grams per mole. Then third, general formula for redox reaction. General formula for redox titration. You have to write N1 normality, V1, N2, V2, where N1 is normality of ferrous sulfate, FeSO4 dash NS4 twice, SO4 6H2O is equal to X normal. That is unknown we gave. Here you have to write the ferrous ammonium sulfate and this side is KMnO4 side. Okay. V1 volume of ferrous ammonium sulfate is equal to 10 ml. So here we are knowing that our unknown normality and 10 ml. Third, you write N2 means this side, N2 normality of KMnO4 is equal to dash that we will give in the experiment when you will perform this. V2 is equal to volume of KMnO4 burette reading, that is not 10 ml, that is burette reading at that time that is coming. Okay, maybe like last time 10.5, 10.3, 9 point, whatever the reading is coming in the burette side. Okay, now how you have to calculate? You have to take N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2, where N1 is X normal. You are taking ferrous ammonium size X normal, V1 is 10 ml is equal to normality that we will give at the practical time and volume burette reading. You have to calculate X normal is equal to dash normal, the 10 ml comes here, that is 10 ml divided. So X normal is equal to, we will multiply this normality with the burette reading divided by 10 ml. So keep the space like that. I have kept, you also keep like that. Don't write any reading, please. Then you write normality of ferrous ammonium sulfate is equal to dash. We will calculate, and after calculation the normality will come in 0.0, whatever it is coming we will write that. Okay, so on the third ruled page you have to write this calculation of normality. If you want, you can come to the blank side, that is called fourth number page, blank side. You have to write grams, you have to calculate grams per liter. So concentration of ferrous ammonium sulfate solution in grams per liter is equal to, like first, normality multiplied by gram equivalent weight. That is normality we will give in whatever it is given, whether it is 0.1, 0.12 or 0.13, and I will show you how you have to calculate the equivalent weight. So keep the blank space and keep this also blank space. Okay, and you write concentration of ferrous ammonium sulfate is equal to normality into, I am writing here, that is grams per liter. I am writing whatever it is coming. Normality ko when we multiplied with equivalent weight, that is coming is equal to this. This is for hydrated. Again, like first experiment I taught you, you have to calculate concentration of ferrous ammonium sulfate without 6 molecule of H2O. anhydrous. Here this is hydrated and this is unhydrated without the molecules of 6H2O. So again you write the formula normality into grams per liter is equal to this blank you have to keep, this also you have to keep blank, and at last it will come grams per liter. Okay, followed? This was the calculation for concentration. Now the next calculation is molarity of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Molarity of ferrous ammonium sulfate 6H2O is equal to, the formula is grams per liter divided by molecular mass. Again you are knowing, ahead we taught normal grams per liter is equal to, you can write grams per liter is equal to normality into equivalent weight and then molecular weight. Again you show is equal to normality into equivalent weight divided by molecular weight is equal to this, and this will come in molar form. So you have to write M molar. Again molarity of ferrous ammonium sulfate anhydrous grams per liter divided by molecular mass is equal to normality into gram equivalent weight divided by molecular mass is equal to normality, you write here equivalent weight divided by molecular weight, and again you will get the, and for the anhydrous molar, that will you have to write in molarity M. Now wherever you are getting space, you make result column. Wherever you are having space, I am not controlling, I am not saying anything. Wherever you are getting space, write the result. Same solution, I have given ferrous ammonium sulfate, so write FeSO4 NH4 twice 6H2O hydrated, then write ferrous ammonium sulfate anhydrates without the molecule of 6H2O. Again write molecular weight, equivalent weight, grams per liter, normality, then molarity. Okay, so I am completing this video, and when you will enter in the lab, I will show you how you have to calculate the molecular weight and equivalent weight.